Morning YouTube people. In this video there's a couple of jobs that I've been meaning to do for a number of months and not had the time or the energy, and today I'm going to look at correcting the self-cancelling indicator, connecting the trickle charger, and hopefully repositioning the washer bottle. So I hope you enjoy it. So the first thing I'm going to do is to connect the trickle charger. Anybody who's got an MGB will know that they'll have to remove the rear seat to gain access to the battery. Okay, let's do it. Again, as you can see, if you just loosen those, and this will actually reveal the battery. In some MGBs they have two 6-volt batteries. In this one what we have is, this one's been converted, so what we have here is one, and you can see where the previous the two 6-volts were, and this has been converted to 12. So basically very easy, piece of cake. Connected. Going to open the quarter window, and there's a socket. You can just see the white conduit. Just going to connect it through there. Why am I recording this? It's because the car's not been started for maybe a month or so. I'm sure it'll start, but I'm not going anywhere. There's salt on the roads, it's cold outside, and I'm sure it's not going to move for another month or so. So what I'm going to do is just going to put this smart charger on with decharges and chargers, and basically save the battery, and makes it last longer, which is the name of the game. So let's get this connected, and I'll see you in a bit. Connected it, just as a reference. As you can see, this is what I'm using. Some people who own motorbikes use this type of charger. Very good charger. Had it for nearly 2 or 3 years. Switch it on, and again you can see it'll tell you if the battery's decharged, if it's fully charged, and that, as you can see, it's just slowly topping up the battery. So just leave that. You can leave that for months. Last year I left it for maybe 6 months or so, and as you can see, just plug it in straight through the quarter window, and as you can see, my trusty TV, and if we just look here, sorry, as you can see, some of you will be looking and going, hold on, the black's going to the red and the red's going to the black. This is because of the conversion. I'm sure that the battery's been wired up in series. I know there's the cabling which is underneath there is all being connected, and it's all in series, but it is for this model the correct way around. So normally I just leave it like that, and it's completely safe, 24 hour, 7 days a week, and that'll be fine. So that's the first thing. Piece of cake really. Been meaning to do it for a number of weeks, and never got around to doing it. So it's done now, that's fine. Next job.